Hi everyone, I'm Celeste and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make these adorable, cute little pacifier holders. Now, these pacifier holders are made from scrap fabrics, elastics, and suspender clips. Those are the three ingredients, along with the sewing machine and scissors, that you'll need to be able to make these. If you're new to my channel, hi and welcome. My name is Celeste. I have been sewing since 2006. I'm about to become a first-time mom, and if you have any questions, leave them in a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe to not miss out on any of my future content, and let's get into the tutorial. Supplies for making your baby pacifier or dummy holder require one of these suspender clips. You can get them in different styles and baby size. I'm going to be using scrap fabric for mine, some elastic. You don't need this much. I just have this spool, some pins, a sewing machine of choice, and some scissors. This piece of scrap fabric has enough to make 2 pacifier holders. What I'm going to do is serge down the edge here, cut off the excess, and serge down again on the other side. Now I'm using a large poking stick and I'm going to go ahead and flip this inside out. So with this side, we want to add a little bit of elastic, 3 inches, roughly around 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters. It'll stretch enough to go around the dummy or the pacifier. So what we want to do is tuck our raw edges inward and then place our elastic inside it, so it creates a very nice clean edge. And then we're going to take it to the sewing machine. Now I just folded my elastic in half. I didn't do anything too crazy. Some people just loop it around itself or fold it or twist it. It's up to you. Now I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and go back and forth multiple times to secure the elastic inside that little pocket piece, and then cut off the excess. Make sure to test it by pulling on the elastic to see if it's nice and secure inside the fabric. Before we want to finish this off, you can make sure you have your strip and just go like this. And now we're going to make a nice box seam here so it doesn't come undone. So now we have this completely nicely done little box. Cut off the little strippy bit excess and make it nice and clean. Ta-da, look how nice that is. So clean. So to use your new pacifier holder, go ahead and take the elastic part and shove it through one of these little holes. If you want, you could put it on the little front part of the tabby, and then just pull your little strap through and pull tight. And that will create a nice little secure little knot on top of it. And you don't have to worry about snapping or anything else. And if you need to remove it, just pull the little elastic again, and then it comes through once you pull the little fabric and the metal clasp out. That way you can still wash your little pacifier. I hope this tutorial really helped you. If you have any questions, like I said, make sure to leave them in a comment down below. If you use this tutorial, thank you so much for coming to my YouTube channel and using it. Leave a like and tell me, how many pacifiers do you have to wash a day? Thank you so much, and I hope you guys take care of yourselves, and remember to stay inspired, be creative, and I will see you in a future video. Bye!